You see her across the room and your heart starts racing. You muster up the courage to approach her, but every time, she seems uninterested and quickly brushes you off. You can't help but wonder, what am I doing wrong? Well, the truth is, there are some common mistakes that men make that can turn women off. In this video, we'll be exploring 3 things you might be doing that are getting you rejected by ladies. Body. First off, let's talk about the way you present yourself. If you're not taking care of your appearance, it's likely that you're sending the message that you don't value yourself. This can be a big turnoff for women who are looking for a man who is confident and put together. Take some time to invest in your appearance by working out, grooming yourself, and dressing well. When you look good, you feel good, and that confidence will be attractive to women. Secondly, it's important to be aware of your body language. If you're approaching a woman with your arms crossed and your shoulders hunched, you're sending the message that you're closed off and defensive. Instead, try standing tall with your shoulders back and your arms relaxed at your sides. This posture communicates confidence and openness, which will make you more approachable to women. Finally, let's talk about conversation skills. If you're constantly talking about yourself and not showing any interest in the woman you're talking to, it's likely that she'll lose interest quickly. Instead, try asking open-ended questions and actively listening to her responses. This will show her that you're interested in getting to know her and that you value her opinions and thoughts. Conclusion. Remember, the key is to be confident and genuine, and to show her that you value her as a person. Thanks for watching.